Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Spotlight feature in the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to join or start a Teams meeting. This feature is only available during active meetings, so make sure you're already in a call before proceeding. Now that you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see three dots there. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to open the Meeting Controls menu. This menu gives you access to various meeting features and options that help you manage the call more effectively. From the menu that appears, tap on People. This will open a list of all participants currently in the meeting. The People option is essential because it allows you to see everyone who's joined the call and gives you control over Spotlight settings for individual participants. Now take a moment to scroll through the list and find the person you want to spotlight. Once you've located them, tap on their name. This will bring up additional options specifically for that participant, allowing you to manage their presence in the meeting. You'll now see several options related to this participant. Tap on Spotlight for everyone. This action will make the selected person's video the primary focus for all meeting participants, regardless of who's speaking. It's particularly useful when you want to ensure everyone's attention is on a specific presenter or speaker during the meeting. After tapping Spotlight for everyone, a confirmation will pop up asking you to verify your choice. This is just a safety check to make sure you actually want to spotlight this person for the entire meeting. Go ahead and tap Spotlight to confirm your action, and that's it. You've successfully spotlighted a participant in your Microsoft Teams mobile meeting, ensuring their video remains the primary focus for everyone in the call. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.